Welcome to Owen Allen Media. Alkaline's New Rules concert series has officially gone international, and the first stop was in London, right? It was a major win and a success, and the OVO Arena at Wembley was packed to capacity, and Alkaline delivered a phenomenal performance, giving the detonation a night to remember. The champion boy came out, right? So from start to finish, the energy was electric, and Alkaline proved once again why he is one of the most impactful young artists in dancehall music and in this generation right now. So check out the video.
What do you want to make up up there? Superb complex. Signal! Hey! Road it, after it, what you want to make this thing? You check skis and these when you ask them a friend. I'm gonna pay, but me don't need no more, right?
Now joining Alkaline on stage were two talented artists, Rajah and Armanii, two young dancehall artists currently doing it big right now. Armanii known for his smooth delivery, R&B flavored style of dancehall music, and the ladies went wild. Armanii performance was not a disappointment, so check it out.
Down to the core, jump on the floor, down to the core.
Rajah delivered at Alkaline's New Rule. Rajah had the crowd, especially the women, going wild, as his name suggests, wild. So let me know what you think about Rajah performance. Check out Rajah performance. Now, it's great to see Alkaline using his platform to highlight, the hottest artists in dancehall right now. Armanii and Watah and New Rules was a massive success, and it speaks volume about where the genre dancehall is headed right now. Dancehall feel like it's regaining its global stream, right? And it's not by accident, you see me, from Vybz Kartel solo the Barclays, the night, and that night, and then Alkaline come and solo out, New Rules. It's shifting, and it's a win for the culture, a win for dancehall, and it's us to continue to show the world, why we need a seat at the table. You see me? This is what people need to understand. Dancehall is on the rise again, yes. However, Jamaica music scene is small, right? And that means every win, or big or small, it gets amplified. But that's not a bad thing. It just goes to show how rare it is for artists to build real dedicated fan base that can move ticket sales and sell out venues internationally. Outside of legends like Vybz Kartel and Popcorn, Shenseea and Alkaline, not many hardcore dancehall artists have reached that level, right? And we're not talking about the Sean Paul and Shaggy who can sell out shows, full of crowds of foreigners, and that's a different lane entirely. There's a gap when it comes to homegrown dancehall artists moving the culture and getting the hardcore dancehall fans, with them. Now is the time. We need artists like Massacre, artists like Shenseea, artists like, even Skillibeng. Now is the perfect time. And they're in pole position, to headline their own show, create their own festival. The momentum is here, and 2025 is dancehall regaining, being back at the table, being back where everyone can say, yo, dancehall is definitely, leveling up with the Afro beats and having its own time again in the space, in the music world. So we definitely want to see it. I would want to see it, when you actually think about it, what's even more remarkable about Alkaline's success is that he's doing all of this without a current hit song dominating the charts. Alkaline hasn't been on the media, he hasn't been trending on TikTok or YouTube, and he's not constantly engaging with the fans online. And I must give it to Alkaline. Alkaline has mastered the art of mystery. He disappears for a long period of time and then reappears with major moves like this. No rollout, no hype, no nothing, just pure loyalty from his vendetta fan base. And that's a rare kind of power in today's industry, especially in dancehall, where artists have to stay in the people's eye 24/7 to stay relevant, and Alkaline doesn't chase the attention. Alkaline presence alone commands it, right? The fact that Alkaline can go quiet for months on top of months and then return and sell out a major international arena like OVO Arena speaks volume. Let me know if me a chat, trash or what. To me, that proves Alkaline has built, his fan base and everything beyond just trends and beyond everything. He's been in a true legacy, and that is true influence and relevance in dancehall. And Alkaline, to me, him sing Alkaline sing about formula, right? And Alkaline has the formula, and not a lot of artists in dancehall can replicate that. You would have to sow the right seeds to be able to reap the benefit like what Alkaline is doing right now. You see me? So most definitely, big up to Alkaline and enough respect to the artists. Yeah man, that is it.